Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, May 14th. Sorry about my sound this morning. A little bit of a headphone issue. Anyway, great support through here at the 115 mark. You can see that. We'll drop in a nice horizontal line here. And what's powerful about that is it's also a low base right into the morning as we were starting to take this take apart. So very nice. Next logical place of support was around the 114 mark, which we actually tested very nicely, and have that in our camp. So with that in mind, resistance levels at 115.50. I like that idea. And also this gap fill at 116. So here we are looking at the round and half round numbers again. Pretty powerful concept. If you look at a smaller time frame, 3-minute chart, you can kind of resolve this a little bit better. Grab this guy, kind of come in here, pull him up now. Pretty nice to have that in our camp as well, where we've got information through here that we can use to work with. So support, 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 broken right at the open, resistance, support, support, nice little symmetrical triangle, and we fail that, head south below 114. Resistance, and we're looking for new tradable setups now. All that in context with what's happening with the trend. Let's take a look at that intraday, rising steadily all morning long, but always bearish the whole time. So that's a great thing to have in our camp for the bear side of things, and actually have gotten a little bit oversold to most people's view of the trend anyway, and need to come back from outer space there a little bit. So taken away a little bit of the desire to want to go short into the support, which I'll show you in a second. The trend Q also rising nicely after starting the morning out at 0.8, but very quickly getting up above 1.2. Now we're in the 1.6 zone, not necessarily oversold, but very nicely bearish. And the VIX, this big story of the day, unfilled gap to the upside. Doesn't get much better than that. That's a huge move, and has definitely taken out this 200 MA, which we're below, and we're starting to work away this previous down gap. Look at that in context with the higher time frame on S&P. Let me go out a time frame so I show you what we're tearing apart, and that is the gap right through there. Much better than a 50% retrace of that gap now, and that's going to be something to note definitely going forward. This is a definite break of the 115 mark that we were looking to hold, and when it doesn't, even the 114 mark didn't help. Next logical spot of support 112, if not a little bit at the round number of 113, but definitely 112 will be a line that we want to drop in here. So good stuff. That's what I'm seeing right now in the markets, and when I again take a look at a smaller time frame, be careful how you go short in here after such a steady decline, but don't miss out if you get a good setup. Just realize we're a little bit oversold on the trend, but all the other ones are matching up nicely. And watch your support and resistance areas on the way up and down. Also look forward to D7's video at the close, a little bit earlier than the close this time. He's going to do a preemptive strike, which is pretty cool. And we'll be talking to you soon.